In 2010, a man bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, those coins would be worth over $400 million. This is the story of how a mysterious invention changed the world. This is the story of Bitcoin. Long before Bitcoin, there were dreamers. In the 1980s, a group called the Cypherpunks imagined a new kind of money. Money that governments could not control. Money that was truly free. They tried many times. Digicash, e-gold, BitGold. All of them failed. The technology simply was not ready. But the dream never died. It was waiting for the right moment. October 31st, 2008. The world was in chaos. Banks were collapsing. Economies were crumbling. Trust in financial institutions had never been lower. Then a message appeared on a cryptography mailing list. The sender called himself Satoshi Nakamoto. He claimed to have solved a problem that had puzzled cryptographers for decades. A way to create digital money without any central authority. He published a 9-page document that would change everything. January 3rd, 2009. Satoshi mined the first Bitcoin block. He called it the Genesis block, Block 0, the beginning. Hidden inside was a message, a headline from that day's newspaper. Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. It was a statement, a declaration of purpose. Bitcoin was born not just as technology, but as a protest against a broken financial system. In the beginning, Bitcoin was worthless, literally worth nothing. The only people who cared were cryptographers and hackers. They traded Bitcoin for fun, thousands of coins for a few dollars. Satoshi himself mined over 1 million Bitcoin in those early days. He was building something, testing it, perfecting it. Slowly, a community formed around this strange new idea. Programmers donated their time. Believers spread the word. And then, something remarkable happened. May 22nd, 2010. A programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz was hungry. He posted a simple offer, 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. Someone accepted. 2 Papa John's pizzas were delivered. It was the first real-world Bitcoin transaction in history. Those pizzas cost about $40 that day. We now celebrate May 22nd as Bitcoin Pizza Day. As Bitcoin grew, so did the attention. Not all of it good. In 2011, the Silk Road launched, a dark web marketplace. It used Bitcoin for anonymous transactions. Critics called Bitcoin the currency of criminals. But something else was happening too. Legitimate businesses started accepting Bitcoin. Investors began to take notice. In 2011, 1 Bitcoin reached $1 for the first time. Then $10, then $100. What followed was the wildest ride in financial history. In 2013, Bitcoin hit $1,000 for the first time. Then Mt. Gox, the largest exchange, collapsed. Millions vanished. The price crashed. Critics declared Bitcoin dead, but the believers held on. They saw what others could not. In 2017, Bitcoin exploded to $20,000. The world went crazy. Everyone was talking about crypto. Then it crashed again, and rose again, and crashed again. Today, Bitcoin is worth over $100 billion. Major companies hold it on their balance sheets. Countries have made it legal tender. Wall Street trades Bitcoin futures. Over 100 million people now own Bitcoin. From a 9-page paper to a global phenomenon. And Satoshi Nakamoto, he disappeared in 2011. His identity remains unknown, his million Bitcoin untouched. But his creation lives on. Bitcoin, the revolution that changed money forever.